Good morning, children. Let's start today's chapter, that is from hunting, gathering to growing food. From hunting, gathering to growing food. As children, I have told you earlier, in the new syllabus, this is the chapter added, but it is the combination of the two old chapters. The names I have given you in the PPT also and in the instructions also. Before I start the chapter, I would like to show you some pictures. See, children, this is first picture. A person is hunting an animal. This is the picture where the person is hunting the animal. In this picture, this man is taking out the bark of the tree. Here also, this man is trying to take out some roots from the plants. Now let's move to the second picture. If you see in this picture, they are trying to use stones and trying to make the things out of that. Here they are using some liquid material. Here also they are doing something with the bones of the animals. Now let's go to the third picture. Here these people are moving from one place to another place. Here all these people, all these men, all they are moving for hunting. You can see in their hands they are carrying some spears. Can you see that, children? These are the spears. So I think it is clear to everyone. So now these all pictures shows different activities of the early human beings. So now this chapter, as I have told you, is a new syllabus and it is combination of two chapters, that is on the trail of the earliest people and from gathering to growing food. Today we'll cover the following topics. Why the earliest people on the move, stone tools and their uses, habitation and factory sites. Now children, if you see, a lot of new words are here. I will talk about it. I will speak about it. Let's finish with this first. Making of stone tools, finding out about fires. Now children, if in this page you see you gathering, what do you mean by gathering? When you collect the things. Habitation, where you live. Sites, I will explain you afterwards what is the meaning of the site. Stone tools. So along with these topics, we will try to understand the meanings of these words. So now children, first the introduction of the chapter. We all know about people who lived in the subcontinent as early as 2 million years ago. Today we describe these people as hunters and gatherers. Now the question comes in your mind, why these people are called hunters and gatherers? Very simple question and very simple answer. These all people, they hunted wild animals, they caught fish and birds, gathered fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, stalks and eggs. That is why they were called hunters and gatherers. Hunters because they used to hunt the animals. They used to kill the animals. Why? Because they eat animal flesh. Gatherers because they used to gather the things like fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, stalks. They eat these things, right? So that is why they were called hunters and gatherers. And children, none of these things was easy to do. all these things, this, they need special skills. What kind of skills? If I tell you to catch an animal, is it easy? No. You have to run behind them. You have to be quick. And so many wild animals were also there. So these people had to be very quick, very sharp, very energetic. And to eat the seeds, roots, leaves, they have to be very careful. All these things, they should know whether they are poisonous or they are not poisonous. So that is, it is said that none of these things which these people used to do were easy. They were very, very, very difficult. Now the question comes, all these people, as I have showed you in the picture, they used to move from one place to other place. They used to travel. The question comes, why the earliest people were on the move? Or in the easy words you can say, why did they travel? I will try to explain you this. Number one, if they had stayed at one place for a long time, they would eaten up all the available plants and animal resources. How? Because they used to eat the fruits, they used to eat the roots, like these are available from the plants. So, like if they are eating it from a same place, one day this will get finished. Similarly with the animals, if they are hunting the animals, killing the animals, so one day they get finished. So then they have to move to the other place in search of more plants and more animal resources. Second point, now they hunt animals, right children? So they have to run around these animals. These animals don't stay at one place. They move from one place to another place. So those who hunted them had to follow their movements, and that is why they also move from one place to another place. Now the third reason. Plants and trees bear fruit in different seasons. Like mangoes come in different season, berries come in other season. So these people may have moved from season to season in search of different kinds of plants, because in some area some plants are there that have fruits in one season, and in other area they must be having the fruits in the other season. So that is why they move from one place to another place. These people, they live near the rivers. Why do people live near the rivers? You know that? Yes, because water is a basic thing which all human beings need. So during the dry season, when the rivers dried down, they had to go in search of water to other places. People also traveled to meet their friends and relatives. I hope till here it is clear to everyone. So now next part in the next audio.